It's a good hobby. I'm not committed enough to it.
Good day for it. I bet the golf
This
courses
is
were
perfect.
busy today.
That's the other thing. Season is short here, right? Like, although I see people out there pretty early in the season and late in the season too. But yeah, beautiful day. Just for anything you want to do. We talked about where's that perfect middle ground for most people. Yesterday and today, right? 70 or so. A lot of sunshine. We got to 83 in Freiburg, did better than I thought we would. And part of the reason for that is it took a while to get these clouds in. I was thinking about midday we'd start to see some clouds in southern and western Maine. It was more like 3 o'clock. It doesn't sound like a big difference, but it's enough to give us more time to heat up, and that's how we got a little bit warmer. Widen this picture out, though, right behind those clouds is a bunch of rain. This is a cold front that's going to come through tonight. It's not going to be moving quick enough, though, to come through just while we're sleeping. It'll move through while we're sleeping, but then it will linger through the first half of tomorrow, at least the first couple hours of tomorrow. So you see clouds coming in here after sunset tonight pretty quickly. Showers and then maybe even a rumble of thunder as this line comes through. This is 1 a.m., 2, 3, 4, 5 a.m. and still raining through the early morning hours. So I think a lot of us wake up. It's cloudy, it's unsettled, it's showery, and there's some downpours in there as well. But I think we get that out of there by about 10 or 11 a.m. and then we get a mixture of sun and clouds with an isolated thunderstorm on the back side tomorrow afternoon. But I think it ends up actually being a pretty nice afternoon after starting off very dreary. Here's a look at your chances of rain kind of throughout the day. So early in the day, 80 or 90% chance of rain, and then tapering off very quickly after 11, and then we're down to almost nothing by late in the afternoon. I don't know about 0 at 6 p.m. There might be a thunderstorm around, but I think most of us will end up dry. So that's tomorrow. Thursday, I think, is pretty much a washout. We start with clouds. We get rain in here 10, 11 a.m., and then it's raining through Thursday afternoon and Thursday early evening. We get that system out of here. Friday looks like a decent day. And at this point, the weekend is saved. I thought we would have one of the 2 weekend days as a really rainy day, but the storm has trended just a little bit farther out to sea, and it's moving through right in the middle of the night here. So we might end up okay with just some showers, some rain showers overnight Saturday into early Sunday, but then clearing out Sunday afternoon. So we'll probably get a good part of the weekend in. As far as rainfall amounts between tonight's system and Thursday's, could be looking at about 1.5 inches of total rain, which would be beneficial. If it's going to be kind of rainy, it might as well be actually rainy. And again, I think Friday's a decent day there. Clouds increase on Saturday, but this is, as it stands, the best possible outcome for the weekend, because that little storm system will come through overnight, and we'll just see a couple showers Sunday morning and then clear out about midday at the latest. Pop-up showers right around 70 into next week, as we talked about before. That's about where we're going to be living. There's no big heat signals in there, but hard to beat days like today, so we'll just take them and bank them.
Yeah, we will. Thank you, Keith.